Hello students. Students, today we have to see rate equation for a rate constant of second order reaction when concentration of both the reactants are different. In previous lecture we studied about the rate equation for second order reaction, but there the rate equation for second order reaction, but initial concentrations are same. Okay, here the initial concentrations of both the reactants we have to consider as different, and then we have to derive the rate equation for rate constant of second order reaction. This equation for rate constant of second order reaction is also known as a rate equation for second order reaction. And for which reaction? Where the initial concentration of both the reactants are different. Now consider a general reaction of the type A plus B gives product. Let me consider this is a second order reaction. Now initially when time is 0, then let me consider the concentration of this capital A becomes A moles per dm cube, and while that of the concentration of B is B moles per dm cube. And see, here the initial concentration of both the reactants when time t is 0 are different. Okay, and no doubt this is second order reaction. That's why here the rate equation depends upon the concentration of both of the reactant. Now initially product is not present there. Now as reaction starts with different initial concentration, small a moles per dm cube and small b moles per dm cube, with this initial concentration, if suppose this reaction starts, now if the time becomes t, now at time t the amount of product formed, let me assume it will be x, then what will be the concentration of A at time t? Since it is A initially, that's why at time t it will be A minus x moles per dm cube. Now what is the concentration of capital B? It will be B minus x moles per dm cube at time t. Now we have to find out the rate equation at time t. You know at time t concentration of both the reactants as well as the concentration of product. Now the rate equation dx by dt, the rate of this reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of both of these reactants at time t. Now if we remove this proportionality sign, then there will be constant, and that constant is K2, and it will be the rate constant for second order reaction when the initial concentrations are different. Now this is our rate equation. Now in order to solve further, or in order to derive rate equation for K2, rearrange above this equation. Now here dx, that's why collect the term of x, a minus x, b minus x to this side. Now that is equals to K2 into dt. Now after rearranging, if we have to solve further, then we have to integrate this equation. How this equation is integrated? Now in order to integrate this equation, we have to solve this. Okay, now integration of dx upon a minus x into b minus x, that is equals to K2 into integration of dt. Now in order to solve this integration using partial fraction, we have to solve it. Now using partial fraction, now this 1 upon a minus x into b minus x, it will be is equals to, now it is a mathematics, it will be a 1 upon a minus b upon b minus x upon minus 1 upon a minus x. Now by using partial fraction, the value of 1 upon a minus x into b minus x will be this one. Now putting this value in this equation, now this equation becomes, means instead of this 1 upon a minus x into b minus x, you have to put here. Now after putting this 1 upon a minus b as a constant, integration of dx upon, or instead of this we have to put this integration of dx into 1 upon b minus x minus 1 upon a minus x, okay, into dx, that is equals to k2 into integration of dt. Okay, now further solving this, 1 upon a minus b into integration of b minus x into dx minus 1 upon a minus x, a minus b is common for this, that's why 1 upon a minus b into integration of 1 upon a minus x into dx, that is equals to this k2 RHS into integration of dt. Now again you know integration of 1 upon b minus x, you know the formula, it will be minus ln b minus x. Okay, now again for the same formula, by using a minus b remains as it is, its integration is minus ln a minus x. Okay, now is equals to, now integration of dt is t, that's why k2 into t plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Now here this equation becomes 1 upon a minus b common from both of these two, then it will be this minus minus become plus, that's why ln a minus x minus ln b minus x. Okay, a minus b, 1 upon a minus b becomes common, that is why is equals to k2 into t plus c. Okay, now after solving this, 1 upon a minus b remains as it is, integration of ln a minus x upon b minus x, because log m minus log n, it will be log m upon n, that is equals to k2 into t plus c. Now in order to solve further, we have to calculate the integration constant c. Now to calculate integration constant c, use initial conditions. Now what are the initial conditions to calculate c? What are the initial condition? T equals to 0 and x equals to 0. If t equals to 0 and x equals to 0, then this equation becomes 1 upon a minus b remains as it is, ln a upon b. Okay, why this is so? Because x 0, k2 into t, but t is 0, that's why k2 multiplied by 0 c, that is equals to c. Okay, now this is the value of c. Now putting this value in this equation 1, now equation 1 implies, now what is equation 1? 1 upon a minus b into ln a minus x upon b minus x. Okay, is equals to k2 into t plus, what is the value of c? 1 upon a minus b into ln a upon b. Okay, now further solving this equation, this term comes to this left hand side, then 1 upon a minus b remains common, this ln a minus x upon b minus x. Okay, then it will be minus ln a upon b, that is equals to k2 into t. आर यू गेटिंग क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है? नाउ इन दिस इक्वेशन log m minus log n, that's why 1 upon a minus b into ln log m upon log n means 1 upon a minus x upon b minus x, okay, upon a upon b, that is equals to k2t. Now after solving this, 1 upon a minus b into ln, this is a minus b, a minus x, this is b minus x, and it will be opposite b upon a, okay, that is equals to k2 into t. Now further, in order to find out k2, this equation becomes, कैसा हो जाएगा इक्वेशन फर्दर सॉल्व करने के बाद? नाउ सी, k2 इक्वल्स टू 1 upon a minus b into t ln, okay, b into ln b into a minus x upon a into b minus x, okay. Now this ln, this is natural log. When converted into log to the base 10, then it will be multiplied by 2.303. That's why 2.303 upon a minus b into t log to the base 10 b into a minus x upon a into b minus x. Now this is the equation for rate constant k2 for second order reaction when initial concentrations of both the reactants are different, okay. You may ask question on this derivation as derive equation for rate constant of second order reaction when concentration of both the reactants are different, then you have to prove this. Or derive rate equation for second order reaction when the initial concentration of both the reactants are different. Same, rate constant, rate equation means same, but only you have to remember what is their initial concentrations are different.